Peace is. Peace is no borders. Imagine that. Peace is needed. Life is precious. Peace is not just a thought. It is also action. Peace is love for all things, embracing all life. Peace is found in music. It is whatever touches our soul. Peace is tolerance. We are all brothers and sisters. Peace is not just a symbol, but actively being responsible for the world. Peace is the energy we really are. It is our connection to the wheel of life. Peace is calmness inside and a love that exists in us all. Peace is courage, bravery to say no and take the high road. Let's make peace, not war. Let's make the world a more peaceful place, a place of dialogue, a place of mutual respect, a place of negotiation. What is peace to you? Let us know in the comments. Peace out. The end.